What's going on, everybody? My name is David, also known as Eggs and Ham 22 here on YouTube. Today I'm going to get to my Orion knives Solaris modification, switching out my scales, backspacer, and pivot collars. Unfortunately, I'm not going to have the same setup today. My overhead cam requires Wi-Fi because it's basically my cell phone. And at the moment, my Wi-Fi is going in and out every 5 minutes, so it's just going to be a little time-lapse video from my face cam angled a little bit lower. So I told you I'd get it out on Friday. I'm going to do it. So let's get to the video.
These my dollars make it hurt.
What is up, guys? I'm going to insert this before I do my little fast forward through the whole rebuild modification. Just so you know, my camera decided to stop filming multiple times throughout this video. And, yeah, I'll go into more detail after the little fast forward, so here it is.
These my dollars make it hurt.
Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed that mosh posh of video editing that I had to do due to my camera malfunctioning over and over again. Full disclosure, there was a lot of mishaps for me personally. As you might have seen, a little bit of struggle. The screws are not D-shaped or, one way, so you basically have to balance untightening them from both ends. And they got stuck a few times, and that was a big pain in the booty. So that happened. There was even a bigger issue with me and my button. The scales on the inside of the Orion Solaris are exact mirrors of each other, except for one has a slightly larger hole where the button actuation is. And if you put the wrong scale there, the button doesn't work properly. So that happened. I had to reach out to David Blade Banter himself, and I was like, am I missing something here? What's going on? And then very shortly after, immediately realized and then informed him that there would be a video up soon. So what a fun little experience. Hopefully my internet gets fixed Saturday. They're coming to look at it and hopefully fix the issues so I can have my other camera back again, which would be nice. And then I still have to figure out what is going on with this GoPro. I haven't had many issues with it before this, so a little strange, but I mean, we'll see. So if you guys like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys on Monday. Later.